Well, hello again, everybody. Just to update people quick, because we did have a thunderstorm pop up literally right on top of us in downtown Minneapolis, and it is headed towards you in St. Paul and moving through Lauderdale areas and parts of Ramsey County. Is going to cut right through there and follow kind of just north of 94. And this is sort of a textbook example of when we see the air interact with an outflow. So that line of thunderstorms to the north I was telling you about was producing wind. You can see it here moving across western Wisconsin, producing those high wind speeds, moving right towards 94 there in western Wisconsin. Well, you can barely make out this light, thin blue line kind of extending from that. Well, that's that outflow or that wind. It acts like a mini cool front, and it produced that thunderstorm very quickly right on top of us. People even reporting a little bit of hail, small hail, pea-sized hail in the Lowry Hill neighborhood here in downtown. It was just some pouring rain, not even any lightning or thunder. But the storms to really watch right now are the ones that have just started erupting to the south. If you followed my update from about 35 minutes ago, we showed you that all the parameters for severe weather are highest across the southern third of the state, south of the Twin Cities. And that's where storms are starting to really pop right now. So that's the area to really watch. Mankato areas, Owatonna, towards Rochester, that southern part of Minnesota. That's where we're seeing storms really start to blow up. And those could turn severe very quickly and potentially produce some large hail. This is across the southern part of the state, where we're seeing those blue areas. That's right where storms are popping right now. That's the potential that some storms could produce over 2 inches of 2-inch size hail, which is pretty big hail. That is golf ball size in many cases. So we'll be watching that area here. And again, the highest wind threat as well is further to the south. If we look at downdraft Cape, that is one of the things we use to measure the potential for high wind gusts. That is decreasing over us here in the Twin Cities, and highest south of the metro. So again, high winds, large hail threat south mostly of the metro. Can't rule out one of these storms turning severe, but it looks like that severe threat is pushing further to the south and east. So again, I'll have any updates as things start to